Ever opened File Explorer in Windows 10 and 11 and thought, why am I stuck on this home page? Let me show you a quick trick to make it more practical, by setting it to open directly to this PC. Trust me, this will save you time and clicks every day. Hi everyone, welcome back to Valley 4 Tech's channel. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you might have noticed that File Explorer opens to the home page by default. While the home page is handy, it's not for everyone. Many of us prefer the old school, My Computer, view from Windows 7. In this video, I'll walk you through a super simple way to bring back that functionality. Ready? Let's dive in. First, open your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or using the shortcut Windows key +E. Next, look to the top of the File Explorer window. You'll see 3 dots in the toolbar. Click those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Options. In the folder options window that appears, there's a section at the very top labeled Open File Explorer to. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll see a few options like Home and This PC. Select This PC. Once you've made your selection, hit Apply, and then OK at the bottom of the folder options window. That's it, you're done. Now, every time you open File Explorer, it will take you directly to This PC, giving you instant access to your drives and folders. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite File Explorer feature? Want to make your Windows experience even better? Check out this next video where I share more tricks to supercharge your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.